Hey, what is up guys? This is Dilip and welcome back to D4 Gadgets. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can fix your headphones jack by using MCL. Today in this video I am going to fix this headset. This headset has a mic. I am using this headset from last 1 year. Sometime what happened, this wire is broken from any other location, but now this wire is broken from here. So in this video I am going to fix this jack. So now checking the headset, both speaker is not working. So first thing, remove this wire from this headset. I mean remove the jack. And solder wire on this jack again. And I hope I will fix this headset. Now I am going to cut this jack from here. Cut little bit the outside insulator. Cut carefully. After cutting outside insulator, we got these wires. One for left speaker and one for right speaker and other for mic and earthing. Now I am going to cut this jack open using a blade. But your jack has a outside metal cover, then first remove metal cover like this. After remove metal, cut the jack and open it. At the time of cutting, note the wire connection on the jack carefully. So this is for left side speaker, this is for right side speaker, and this is for earthing, and this is for mic. Here the red color wire for the mic, this is for right side speaker, this is for left side speaker, and these three same colors wires for the earthing. Now I am going to show you how to solder on these wires. This wire is little bit long and I am going to cut like this. Use little bit solder flux on these wires. Finally, I put some solder on these wires. Do same thing with the other wires. Solder the earthing wire on number 3. Now solder the microphone wire on number 4. And solder the speaker wire at number 1 and 2. Now for the checking headset, put the headset inside the phone. Now open the microphone. Hello. Yeah, microphone is working. Now for the checking speaker, play the music. Yeah, it is working. Now I am going to make a outside cover of the jack by using this MCL. Open it. After mixing, it's look like that. Now make the cap from the M seal. So it is final fixed headset. So now removing the tape. So it is very tight and it is not going to breaking and it is very solid. Hope you like this video. If you have any question and any suggestion, make sure you comment in the section below. And if you don't have subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more updates.